Hello Sparkitans! Welcome back to Spark. Today is an exciting day because we are going to trace the letters A, B, C, D and E together. Are you ready? Grab your pencil and book. Let's have some fun. This is letter A. Now we will trace it step by step. Start from the top, draw one slanting line down and another slanting line like this, and finally a little sleeping line across the middle. Let's trace it one more time together. Trace it slowly. It is very easy to trace. Now take your pencil and book and trace the letter A. Can you think of 3 words that start with A? Apple, ant, aeroplane. Children, now we know how to trace A. Let's say bye-bye to A and welcome B. This is the letter B. Now we will trace it together. Start from the top. Draw one standing line down. Now draw a right-sided curve like this. Then another right-sided curve down to it. It's B. Very easy, right? Let's trace it again. Trace it very slowly. Now children, take your pencil and book and trace the letter B on it. Can you think of 3 words that start with B? Ball, bat and balloon. Wow, now we know to trace B. Bye bye B. Now it's time for C. This is the letter C. Now we will trace it together. Tracing C is very simple. Just draw left-sided curve like this. Let's trace it one more time, children. It's very easy, right? Now take your book and pencil and trace letter C on it. Can you tell me 3 words that start with C? Cat, car, chick. Wow, now we know how to trace C. Bye bye C. Now it's time for D. This is the letter D. Now we will trace it together. To trace the letter D, just draw a standing line. Then draw right-sided curve like this. It's letter D. Let's trace it one more time. Observe carefully how to trace letter D. Now take your pencil and book and trace the letter D. Now we will see 3 words that start with D. Dog, doll, drum. Great job with D. Bye bye D. Now it's time for E. This is the letter E. Now we will trace it together. To trace E, simply first draw a standing line like this. Then at the top, one small sleeping line. Then down to it another sleeping line. And at the end one more sleeping line. It's E. Let's trace it one more time. Trace it slowly, children. It's very easy to trace E. Now it's your time, children. Take your pencil and paper and trace the letter E. Now I will tell you 3 words that start with E. Elephant, egg, eagle. Wow, we have traced A, B, C, D and E. Children, trace these 5 letters in your book and show to your parents. You did an amazing job today. I am so proud of you for learning and tracing A to E. Next time, we will trace the letters F, G, H, I and J. Don't forget to join me. Click subscribe for more learning adventures. See you next time, children. Bye.